What's up, Maniacs? Today we're going to do something a little bit different and play around with some different hardware here. I saw a kind of a wheel holder device that was used in a detailing video, and I thought it was pretty cool. You basically take your tire and wheel off of the car, you put it on this so it holds it there, and then you can easily clean all around the wheel and then put it back on when you're doing like a full detailing. So I did a quick sketch, ordered some parts, and now we're going to try and put it all together here. So let's get started, and I think it'll make more sense as you see it in the end here. So to build this, we're going to need a few things. We have some T-brackets, some elbows, some longer right angle elbows, some extruded aluminum channeling. I got that off of 8020.net, and we're just going to need the mounting hardware for all of this and our little Allen key. I have rollers that I was able to get off of an old conveyor belt from a friend's workplace, but I've also found these online, and I will leave a link to the description where you can find those as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and just start laying this out and assembling it. I'm going to be able to clean on the inside of this, no problem. Yeah, this is great. I think I might make an adjustment on this, but yeah, this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's it. This is a tire cleaning device. I saw one being used on a detailing video once, so I wanted to see if I could build one myself, and yeah, this is what I came up with. Just some parts from 8020.net, which is a great site, and some rollers from conveyor belt. You can buy these other places online. I've seen them online, and I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, that's it for this one. Next video, we'll take this outside and try it out and actually do some detailing on the car. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that one. As usual, leave any comments or questions you have below, and don't forget to wave. I'll catch you in the next one.